Pietro Accetti, our founder, once said, "The machine is not important. It's the customer's needs that matter." And today, it is still the client's needs that matters to us. We have grown with our customers, with their challenges, shaping their processes with our expertise through the most advanced technological solutions. We have always shared the same goals, the highest performance combined with the best possible efficiency. We do all this by ensuring an after-sales service that makes customers feel like the core of our commitment. With them, we have entered this new phase, Industry 4.0, and the new digital normal.
With enthusiasm, professionalism, and the predisposition for innovation that distinguishes us. As CMS Glass Technology, we are leaders in the field of flat and curved glass processing. With technologically advanced solutions,
we have been in the future since 1969. Why? Because we build machines designed to provide added value to companies and products. Because we want to be their technology partner, contributing with our machines and services to implement their competitive advantage and success in a measurable and long-lasting way.